Hello, this is part 3 for the Blocks Puzzle game on Android tutorial. So for the last video we learned about we learned about the basic game loop. So for here in this video I will show you the advances for the game loop. So why we need to use an advances game loop. So like I said before, and you saw in the screen of the game, the rectangle here is moving down, but it's not smoothly. It's not smoothly, right? So we need to use an advanced game loop to take more smoothly for the rectangle moving. All right. So let's go to the game track, and here we just use right in the game loop. I just define along with the APH. So for the APH, I explained it many times in my tutorials in this channel. So for this, I will re-explain it to you. So APH is something like the frame chain, the yes. So you can think about how many frames every second for the screen changing, right? So frame per second just mean frame per second, right? So you can easy to understand it. Right, so I will use the APH for here equal 25, and I will use the define order equal frame frame time equal to 1 millisecond divided by APH and multiple with 1 million, because we need to convert to the because we use the nano time, so we need to convert it the millisecond to the nano time, to the nanosecond. All right, by multiple with 1 million. And so now we have the frame time, and then we will need to define the start time. Start time, that means the first time for every game loop, right? And it just be system nano time. And the last one, all right, so jump into the game loop, and then I will after I try to draw I will alright, so here I need to define new variable delta time, and here I will assign a value for delta time by system for the current time minus the start time. So we draw something. It takes the time, maybe a little, but it takes the time. So we need to get the time the try draw is taken was taken, right? So now we have a date time for the try draw, and after that define a new variable called sleep time, and we'll assign sleep time by the value that frame time minus the delta time, and then I will check if sleep time bigger than 0, because if we use the 0 or if we use the value that negative, the sleep will not work, and maybe you can get crashes. Right, so we need to check the sleep time here to sleep, and then we will sleep with the sleep time. At the end of the game loop, we will reset the start time by get the current time here, and don't forget here we need to convert the sleep time, right? To convert the sleep time to the millisecond for the sleep method, we need to divide the sleep time to 1 million by 1 million. So now we have the advanced game loop here. So let's run it again. Alright, so compare with the previous, you can see it more smoothly a little, because I use the virtual device, so you can you can get a little different to see the you can get a little difficult to see the difference, right? But I'm sure it being smoothly that before. Okay, so maybe I think this is the end of the video, and thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.